Welcome to the Sacramento 33 on display now at Oak Grove Estate in Clyde North. This is single-story living without compromise, proof that you don't need 2 stories or a sprawling block to live well. Step inside and the entry sets the tone straight away with polished porcelain tiles that feel instantly elevated, picked out beautifully by low step lighting and painted V-groove wall cladding that carries the same considered look right through the home. At 306.63 square metres and built for blocks from just 16 metres wide, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom design proves smart planning beats size every time. And running through it all, the laid-back contemporary scheme brings a light, warm base with oak tones layered through, easy to live in and even easier to love. Let's take a closer look inside. Right at the front of the home, the study gives you a genuine escape to focus, a dedicated space to work or study from home, away from the noise of everyday family life. This space is styled with that same V-groove cladding from the entry, so from the moment you walk in, this home already feels considered. The master suite is also positioned at the front of the home, your own private wing away from the busyness of family life. Through to the ensuite, the same warm palette continues, with soft stone-look tiles, an oak vanity and polished chrome tapware throughout, before flowing into a large walk-in robe with plenty of space to spread out. It's a quiet retreat you'll look forward to coming home to. Tucked nearby, the theatre gives the family its own escape, the perfect spot for movie nights in or simply somewhere to switch off away from the main living zone. This is where the Sacramento 33 really comes alive. The kitchen sits centrally in the floor plan, the true heart of the home. And with the living and meals wrapped around it, no one's ever cooking on the sidelines. Look up and a raked ceiling runs right through the kitchen, living and meals, filling the whole space with light and making everyday living feel that much bigger. The kitchen itself is finished with Caesarstone benchtops in Lunar Frost, Laminex calm oak base cabinetry in a natural finish, and overheads blending Laminex sarsen grey laminate with glass doors, plus a Beaumont tile splashback in a tundra French pattern ash. Warm, considered, and built for entertaining. Tucked behind it, a dual entry walk-in pantry keeps the mess out of sight, so you can cook like you mean it. And off the living and meals zone, dual doors open straight out to the alfresco, blurring the line between indoors and out for entertaining on any scale. Set in their own private wing away from the main living areas, 3 large bedrooms give everyone in the family room to spread out and unwind, each with a generous walk-in robe. They share a stylish bathroom, finished in that same warm, cohesive palette, complete with a separate toilet, keeping the morning rush moving for everyone at once. The laundry is spacious with direct access to the garage, so the everyday stuff never gets in the way of family life. And a dedicated powder room means guests have their own space, separate from the family bathroom. The Sacramento 33 brings together effortless single-story living and warm, laid-back style in equal measure. Proof that good design is about how a home feels, not just how big it is. Come and experience it for yourself at Oak Grove Estate in Clyde North.